Hi everyone. I just want you to see the semi-flush mount fan that I just had installed. It is so cool. It has white trim and a clear white border going around it with black blades. Let me turn on the light so you can see. There's the light. Let me turn off my wall light. There are 3 light options, from warm to natural to cool, all being dimmable using the remote. Let's turn on the fan. And the fan is reversible. There are 6 speeds. I'm going to keep it on 1 because my little bathroom doesn't need any higher than 1. It's very powerful. So that is forwards with 1 speed. And yes, you can pair up this fan with your phone. I haven't done that yet, so I can't show you. I love this white fan. Let me turn off the fan itself and just use the light. And while it's on sale for Black Friday, I might even buy a black one for my second bathroom. Why not? It's on sale. Isn't that cute? I just wanted to share.